This is a view of our local train station and train tracks. This is mostly suburban trains, but also has intercity and regional, links up to regional trains also. In just a second, we'll have one of these trains passing. And this is the Sintra line. It's called Sintra because it links up Lisbon and Sintra mainly. And I don't know if you can see, but in the distance there is called the Amadora station near where I live. I live just over in the buildings over there, very close to the station. And this is located on over top a rotary. You see many cars passing. So cars don't pass directly over the tracks and get into accidents. This is very smart. Here comes the train now. They go quite rapidly. During rush hour, it's faster to go by train from Lisbon to Sintra than by car. There we go. See, very clean. Not much graffiti. And not very loud. We don't even notice where we live. We live very close. Noise is minimal. And there's another train coming. I'll let it go to show you. They come during rush hour. Every few minutes there's a train. This is Saturday today. There's less trains on Saturday. But still, every 10 minutes or so, there's a train passes through here. Here comes another one. You can see there's 4 tracks. This allows for express trains and trains going to different directions. And both these trains are headed in the direction of Sintra. Here it comes.